Namaste, you are welcome to our virtual class run by NPABSAN Kaski. Dear students, today we are learning social studies class under the infrastructure. Today's lesson is communication. Yesterday in previous lesson we studied about the infrastructure. And now I am repeating the same. Infrastructure means precondition needed to change positive. To bring change in human life that can be felt, that can be seen. Precondition like education, health facilities are prior needed of the development or infrastructure of development. Today we are learning about the communication. Communication is the process of dispatching news, views, message, information, etc. If we receive and send the message one place to another place and one person to another person, that is called communication. Now, communication is an important infrastructure of development. Means that it makes the society transparent. Everything it makes visible. We see everything clearly. What is happening in society? For it, what is clearly needed? That communication is needed. Now, these are the points related to the communication. First one is the process of expressing, receiving news, views, and information. Means people's views, thought, information, they are exchanged from one to another. And communication broadens the mind of it. Intellectually, it makes the people perfect. So, communication is the best way of empowering people. Another one is the entertains people. Means through the communication, means of communication, people entertain themselves, listening to different songs and watching different dances or so many activities happening inside or outside the country. Everywhere they happen or take place, they can be appreciable in the society or in the means of communication. And another point I have given here, shortens the geographical diversity. It means that the happening taken place anywhere else in the world, we can achieve them, we can comprehend them, we can take them. So it shortens the geographical diversity, geographical wideness. Then another one here is that transfer the technical skill one to another, and through the means of communication like television or radio or FMs or newspapers, internet, email, by them people get different skills, discovered or invented anywhere else. They can get the way of manufacturing them. What technique, what invention, what discoveries have been made throughout the world, they can be available by the means of communication. Another is there, widest area of the knowledge means everything, what is happening throughout the world, we can gain them, we can obtain them through the means of communication. Then makes the society transparent. Communication is the infrastructure of development. It empowers people, it makes everything visible and transparent. By it, nothing can be hidden. Everything is clear, everything is visible. So, it is important infrastructure of development. Types of communication means there are different means of communication. Means in dispatching news, views, message, information, we use different source of means of communication. They can be categorized under electronic one and printed one, another one. Under the electronic device, we can get their TV or internet email, and under the print media there are newspaper or journal or the magazines. And then these both are important because people in the society belong to different nature, different economic capacity, and their accessibility in society is different. Under their accessibility, they can be accessible, they can be used. And means of communication, I already told you that postal service, radio, television, or internet, email, these are the means of communication. Means they are what sort of ways or the means we use in dispatching, disseminating the news, views, etc. If we are transferring our knowledge, if we are receiving the knowledge or the different skills, what means, what device we use, what method we use, they come under the means of communication. They are telephone, postal service, radio, etc. Now we are talking about postal service. Postal service, and it is the oldest means of communication. And then it was introduced in 1934, but we got it in use in 1938 years, and it is totally manual one. Hence, in sending money orders, parcel, letters, and then other materials, manually we use postal service. In past, people were illiterate, and then there was no other means of communication like we have now. At that time, postal service was only one alternative in dispatching news, disseminating news from one place to another place. Then that publication of the tickets, postage tickets, we use that postal service as well. Now we are talking about newspaper. It is totally print media, and then we use print version dia, means newspaper. Newspaper, especially the people who are literate, who have the capacity to read and write, they can read newspaper. Not for illiterate, it is significant one. And then that newspaper differ from place to place and person to person and age to age or group to group. It means that for the youth, there is a different type of newspaper, and for the business purpose, we have different sort of newspaper. Or for the film sector, we have another sort of newspaper. Means under the purpose, under the context, newspaper are different. Under the period of the publishing, there are different sorts of newspaper. And newspaper includes the vision, it includes the article, it includes the news, and it provides the fresh news to people. Then it empowers people, it makes the society transparent, and then when people are informed about the day-to-day happenings, then they can think they are being ruled, and then they have the power in the democracy. For making democracy strong and strengthened, we need that right to communication, and newspaper assists in making the country totally under the right to information. Then we have this source of newspaper in terms of their time of publication. And then daily newspaper, the Gorkhapatra, the Kantipur, or the Rajdhani, and others are the daily newspaper. They are published daily, regularly. They provide the news of hotcakes there, or the fresh news we can get by reading them. They are the daily newspaper. Another one is weekly newspaper, and then they collect the news of a week, and then they provide information to the people weekly. They are the Nepal, the Himal, etc. These are the weekly newspaper. Another one is fortnightly, and then if the newspaper publish their news views relating to their subject matter, for 15 days. In the interval of 15 days, they are called Pachik in Nepali. Okay, they are the Times, the Bani, these are the fortnightly newspapers, and the one is monthly newspaper. If the newspaper are published in the interval of 1 month, they are called the Masik Patrika. And then these one, the health sectors or other newspapers, what are published in the interval of 1 month, they are the monthly newspaper. And now, we study today about the communication. What does it mean? It is the practice of dispatching news, views, reviews, or the entertaining materials. And these communication, means of communication are of two categories. They are print media and electronic media. Today we learned about Postal Service. It is the world's means of communication, and it came to existence in the year 1938 years. And then people now use it for sending parcel, letters, money, orders, and etc. And then next we learned about newspaper. Newspaper are of different types in the term of their publication. Daily newspaper, weekly newspaper, fortnightly newspaper, and the monthly newspaper. These all entertain us. These all provide us new vision, new thought, and they empower us. They broaden our thought and knowledge. They make especially the member of the transparent society, and they have been publishing their news to make people informed about the world happenings, or the national happenings, or the local happenings. Now, in this way, I am terminating today's lesson. Before terminating today's class, I am giving you homework. The first one is what is meant by communication, and I just before told you about it. And then also list out the different means of communication. You understood it: postal service, radio, television, etc. And write a short introduction on newspaper or means of communication. Newspaper, it is a print media. It provides news, views, and entertaining things relating to different nature, different parts of the national life. And this way, now I end today's lesson. Thank you. Have a good day.